All right, Susan, here is Laflin, the cans into this living area. Bulb's not in the one. It's cold as shit. Cans in this room. Cans in the kitchen. We have our electrical run in the bathroom, up into a fan. Same normal stuff there, nothing crazy's done. Come upstairs. We've got our electrical run here. We'll be doing the roofing tomorrow morning. It's going to be delivered. So the roof will come on tomorrow. Sheetrock delivered tomorrow afternoon to be started here. Same old stuff there. Light there in the come up the stairs. Down in the basement. We've got our cans run here. Cans there. Power into our bedroom. HVAC's run. Cans are there. HVAC there. Our power into the bathroom. We're going to be doing our plumbing tomorrow. It's all of our power. Tied into breakers. There you have it.